So here's the first lookout that we're going to be stopping at. Now, if you want instructions on how to get here, check out the full blog post at sightsandsounds.co. I'll detail on the map how to get here. Further down, you can actually see the cutoff for the flat road, which heads in to the resort and Playa Bonita. Further on yonder, there is Playa Panama. And then back to the right here along the road is Playa Hermosa. You can perhaps see some of those houses up there that would be considered Playa Hermosa. I'll put a pin to this location on the map. It gives you a great view of the Gulf there with all the beaches. More boats out in the Gulf there at Playa Panama. And as you can see, really cool views here. That's just great. It's nice to stop here, have a drink before you you know, have some water, some orange juice before you head down further. Down the road here. So this road is very winding, but it's paved, so you can bring a car down, and let's start heading back. All right, so when you get here to the parking, you're gonna find this gate. I presume they're building some kind of resort or houses down that way. But you're just gonna walk down this path here. You can already hear the water. It's cool little stairs chiseled out. Not bad. Now it got a little less stairs. There's a wire here it looks like somebody put up for stability. Unfortunately, I'm carrying a cooler, so I can't grab onto it, but that's okay. It's not too bad. Now this is cool. I like this. It's a cool little pathway. Wow, that's great. Trees falling over the path, so you gotta do a little bit of parkour to get to this beach. As we get closer, I can certainly hear the waves crashing. Now, one thing I will say is try not to touch the trees or the bushes here. Trees not so bad. There are some bushes that secrete some kind of oil that is like a skin irritant. You definitely don't want it in your eyes. And I touched a leaf one time. I picked it up. My hand started stinging. So just out of the abundance of caution, maybe try not to touch stuff, or watch your kids what they're touching too. So there's another wire. And this did get kind of dicey. I'm gonna have to go on the wire here. This one. All right, that was cool. So now you can see that it's most definitely become worth it. So with your kids, watch them on this path. This path is muddy, right? It's rainy season, so it's a little slippery. There's gonna be water remaining. And more. Oh, and we're in. All right, so here we are, Playa Bonita, relatively low tide. Not too many people on the beach. Got some people hanging out here. Now the water does swell pretty good right here at the shore. But lots of tide pools that I'm sure would be awesome to explore with a snorkel. Very nice and cool water on this hot day. So you can see out in the distance there's more beaches. There's resorts over there. This whole gulf is just spotted with beaches and resorts. So this is definitely a place that's worth checking out. Get some cool jungle surrounded by there. Awesome. Leave a comment below, guys, with any of your thoughts, requests, questions that you have. Check out sightsandsounds.co. I'm gonna post an entire blog about how to get here and some thoughts, some cool pictures. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye now.